Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Auction Reconditioning. Back at the Lebanon Auto Auction. New day, new lineup. Let's run through the cars. By the way, if you guys find something or you see something you want me to pick up, I'm game. I love all types of vehicles. If you see something you want to see on the channel, just mention it down below. Today we're going to start off with the Mach 1. This is a 72, 71, and caught my eye right away. Let's take a look. These things are badass. Obviously black with plenty of swirls, so we would have a lot to correct. Silver trim, has some obvious wear and tear. We got the, what are these, Craigers? Let me know down in the comment section. Goodrich radials on Craigers, I believe. Staggered me. Well, that's interesting. Some insulation blocking the hole there where the parking light should be. Got a wing on the back. Got the honeycomb mesh back here for trim. Gas cap, dual exhaust. Oh, we'll fire this thing up for sure. You can see the body work that was done to it. The respray is pretty rough. But if you pick something like this up just for a little bit of fun on the weekend, no big deal. It's not in that bad a shape. Not a ton of rust down below. Well, let's hop in and fire it up. Entering the vehicle, checking out the door panel, not in too bad a shape. Seats replaced at one time. So, got the keys, you have the ignition. Before we do that, let's give it a couple pumps. And it fires up. Wow. Lots of rattles in here. We have some cracks on the dash. Pioneer stereo. Are we going to get any? I don't even know how to operate that damn thing. Let's shift. Yeah, right into reverse. Right into drive. Wait for the idle to kick down a little bit. Choke's probably on. Almost empty, so we can't keep it running for long. Listen to that. Beast. Not smoking too bad. Not a ton of moisture coming out of the tailpipes. Let's see if we can find the hood latch on this. Right there's the e-brake. Probably nothing inside. Okay, so we have a 351 Cleveland. Newer carb. Distributor. Belts are flopping around down there, but it doesn't sound too bad. Secondhand battery. Oh, 1124, so newer battery. These are fun. What do you think, guys? Should we pick it up for the channel? Let me know down in the comment section. And here we have Lincoln MKX, somewhere around a 2013. 2011. I love my Lincolns. Neat front end. We would have some headlight repair, paint correction to do. Overall, I like to look down and see we have a couple small dings here. We can take care of some PDR work. There you can see one. Other than that, Not too bad. Let's check out the passenger side. That headlight's in good shape. And we have some issues right there to fix. Wheels are curbed. That would make a great video, how to fix those. This side doesn't look too bad. Oh, right here we have some PDR work. Let's hop on inside and take a look. Door panel looks good. Armrest isn't worn too bad. Bolsters definitely need to be repaired. Look at that like copper finish interior. I do like that. That is different. Same thing with the trim here. This is pretty neat. Let's hope it fires up and sounds decent. Got the key right here. Let's see what happens. What does it have? 1 billion miles on it? 146. That's not bad. I've seen a lot worse here. I don't see an engine light on so far, so that's good. Let's see if it okay, hops into reverse. Pops right up into gear. That's good. Can we get this fired up? Power. See if we can get something going here. I don't know how the hell to fire some of these things up. So many different types. How about... All right, we got AC max. Let's see if we have some... Okay, yeah, that got... Well, it's cool enough today to begin with, and that got cold immediately. Let's turn that off. We don't need that. Let's just see if we can get this going. No big deal. I can get an aftermarket for in here, but I do like listening to tunes. Yeah, this is neat. I like that interior. Let's pop the hood, look into it a little bit further. As of now, I believe this will be going on my list. So this is the 3.7 liter. It's pretty quiet. Exide battery. We have an Exide plant near me. They're good batteries. Levels that I can see are up. Let me shut it off and we'll check the oil. Okay, what do we have here? Well, looks like it's 28 quarts over full, but that's because it's been running. Definitely needs to be changed. Let's get it back in there. Not the easiest thing to do one-handed, but let's see if there's a sticker for... Yeah, we do have a Jiffy Lube sticker. And at 148, so somebody was keeping up with it. It's should be changed though. It's getting dark. Definitely going on the list. Let's see what else we can find. Anything from muscle cars to modern cars to snow plows, box vans. If you need something, you might be able to find it here. A Mitsubishi Outlander, about a 2013. I don't see too many Mitsubishis running around anymore, so I just wanted to stop and take a look at it. Has a gorgeous metallic flake silver or gray. It's headlight restoration. Wheels aren't too bad. Exterior isn't too bad. Some minor scratches here and there. Yeah, I mean, normally I wouldn't look at these things any closer than I am today. Seats are worn. I'm going to guess it has about 170,000 miles on it. Let's fire it up and take a look. Oh, right away we can see 143. Let's fire it up and see if we have any lights greeting us. Is it lit up like a Christmas tree in here? Surprisingly, no. And it doesn't sound that bad either. We do have the infotainment center fired up here. What about the AC? Down. Let me see. Let's get it to right here. Oh yeah, that's cold. And It's, like I said, it's chilly today. We don't need that. Let's see if it goes in gear. Yeah, with the load on it, I can hear an engine sound, so I'm going to walk away from this one. All right, let's see what else we can find. I always stop and at least take a quick look around a pickup truck. This one has like a root beer barrel color metallic flake. Definitely needs paint correction and well beyond. I could show you how to respray these. Wheels aren't in horrible shape. It is an extended crew cab, not a crew cab, extended. Lots of wear and tear back here. Bed liner, plastic bed liner. This is four-wheel drive. So let's hop in. Definitely needs a detailer. Who could I call for that? We have some small seats for, well, a little person back here. All right, does have the keys. Again, right there's the 4 high and low. Let's see if we can find a key that works here. What does the dash greet us with as we fire this up? Oof, that had a hell of a rattle. Now, when the oil started to circulate, that went away, but where are we gonna get the mileage off of this? Let's fire it up again. Oh, here we go. I see it now, 181,000. Well, let's see. Reverse. Very slow going into reverse. Very slow to react. Going into gear, we have an aftermarket Bluetooth. Well, let's see. All right, we do have working air conditioning, so I don't know. Too many miles, one hell of a noise. Let's walk away. Here's a 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and this would be great to pick up for the channel, even though I'm not a huge fan of Hyundais, just for the repair that we see here, the correction that it needs on the black paint, the wheel cleaning that it needs. Lots of correction needed there, but I think we could turn it around big time. Wheel repair. Oh, let me see here. Look at all the love marks and swirls from over the years. Broken gas cap. Well, let's see how many miles we have on this thing. Interior. Just your normal wear and tear. The bolsters getting in and out. Do we have keys? Yeah, we have a fob. Needs a bit of a detail. Was used as a personal trash can. Let's fire it up. Oh, we don't need that. Radio works. It has a little bit of a shimmy, has a vibration, so it's not running great. 125,000 miles. That's not too bad. What about, let's get some AC on here. Yes, that works. Okay. Reverse. Neutral. Goes in right away. It just has a little bit of a vibration when you first start it up. Could use a tune-up, I'm sure. I'll put this one on the list. What about a Honda? Can't skip over a Honda. They seem to run forever. Something we can do a little bit of PDR and then blend that in. Get the bumper attached once again. Some scratches here and there to work on. So this is a CRV, and what year are we looking at here? 2017. See how many miles we have on it. Do have the keys. All right, where are we at here? 146,000. Doesn't run bad. I don't see a check engine light. We do have a working head unit, infotainment center. takes its good old time getting into gear, and then boy does it need a detail. So this would need a lot of work. Inspected till next year. You can't see it, but 2025. I'll put it on the list. And we are going to end with this one today. This one needs a detailer immediately. Chevy Silverado. Let's see what year it is before I show you the rest. If I can find the sticker on here. We got 2016. But this one hit. This was definitely ridden hard, put away wet, as you can see from the years and years of bug splatter without being cleaned off. That would be a challenge. Look at all that. Driven down a driveway, probably from a farm. The mud splatter from years probably hasn't been washed in forever. Beyond PDR, that's for sure. It needs a quarter panel and a door. Look at how it's caved in. Trucks for a premium price in this area, and at this time, you could probably get this one at a decent price, but here we have some transfer. I can show how to get that off. Let's see what this side looks like. Well, a hell of a lot straighter than the passenger side. Whoever drove this didn't like the passenger at all. We have some issues down in here at the corner of the cab, but let me show you this. Wow, that needs a hell of a detail. Now I would pick it up just for the challenge. If you want me to pick something like this up, I would be happy to and show you how to get this thing looking fantastic again. Looks like the owner had 28 dogs, and that's fine, guys, but I have a dog that sheds like hell, and my cars look pretty damn clean in the inside. Wow, no excuse for that. Let me know down in the comment section. You want me to pick it up? Before we even think about that, let's. So we have 162,000 on it. Let's see. Do we have? How many lights do we have? Wow, none. Not even. Well, we had the TPI. No big deal. That's usual. Doesn't sound too bad.
This vehicle is in demonstration mode.
Oh, all right. Well, we have the head unit working.
Press the blue OnStar button to learn more.
Turn that off. All right. Well, I'll put it on the list. Guys, before I end the video, I did have a lot of questions on the rebranding of the channel, and that's for a couple reasons, and I'll mention the two obvious ones. Being semi-retired, the Apex Auto Detail should have its own channel, and I'm going to create that, so I needed to change the name of my channel. And I also wanted to rebrand because of the change of pace and direction that I'm taking personally. Again, we will always have a ton of detailing products, detailing tools on the channel, just in a different manner, if that makes sense. So when you do that, you take an awful gamble and your channel takes a hit, and I'm aware and up to the challenge. I got this channel up to 250,000. It's going to drop down before it starts to turn around and take a hike back up again, and reaching out to a new audience, guys, and bringing them into the detailing world is another challenge that I accept and look forward to, and would love to meet new people that are interested in the industry. So we'll see what happens there, but that kind of gives you a broad range answer of why the rebranding. Those that are sticking around, I truly appreciate and love you all, and I will keep that content flowing that I know you like, blending in content that I know others will like, to bring them into the industry. Brian from Apex Auction Reconditioning. Catch you guys in the next video.